Yes, baka na. Number 315.
310.
310.
315.
315. Paano malalaman may number? 330. 380. Ano?
Last.
The last? 30.
11.
310. 312. maybe, I don't know, this one? 13.
Outside the light.
Yes. Ito pala siya guys, oh. Ang kanyang hotel. Ay, ang galing guys, eh. So, dito siya guys mag-check-in. May bed.
Okay, Wi-Fi.
Tapos, we have fridge. Tapos, chinelas yun. So, dito siya mag-check-in sa dulo ng... Dahil ang cute nito, oh. May towel, the towel design, guys, eh. Ano may nasa loob? Ay, kubot pala. Kumot. May telephone, may unan. Ha?
Maybe the guys.
I don't know.
Because 900 for...
Oh. Asking later. Why 9 yen?
Why?